Oh, yummy. Oh, that's delicious. Oh, if I must say so myself, that's yummy. Oh my gosh, glorious.
So here I'm going to extract the nutmeg from the pod. So that's the shell of the nutmeg. Gonna have a little fight with the nutmeg and crack it without breaking my hand. Crack the nutmeg, take out the inside, the nut inside. Then you have the shell remaining behind, which I throw away. I've heard of people find uses for them, but I don't. Here I'm making sure to use the side of the plate to make sure I get smaller granules to go into hot chocolate, otherwise crunchy places more than you'd like. Gonna put a little bit more so whatever you're doing when you're cooking, just imagine how it will taste in there if you put this amount or that amount or too little or too much. I keep it in a jar, so I did not have honey in my hot chocolate. It's just on the jar labeled. So here's the chocolate ball. Now if anyone's ever seen the chocolate on the tree, it grows in a yellow pod. Sometimes they might seem kind of orange. When you open it, it's quite like a fruit. And you grab that. When I was a child, someone I used to spend holiday with Miss Pet and the whole family at Titchfield Hill. And they used to do this process. I remember seeing the chocolate dry and spread it out to dry. This is how you get the ball of chocolate. This is what's used to make chocolate that we see in the shop. So this is pure chocolate from the tree, rolled and dried into a ball. I haven't been around the process much. Here I'm boiling the water to mix the chocolate that I've just grated into. So here I'm adding the chocolate and the nutmeg. The nutmeg was also in that bowl. That is a lot of chocolate. However, at the end I did add more because Diana thought it could do with some more chocolate, so it's fine to add it later on. When you go on holiday to Jamaica and other Caribbean islands, you can actually get these to buy quite easily. I like doing it because it gives that rich chocolate flavor, and Diana likes it too. And it's so natural and nice to just do natural things from the earth. So you can see the water is very chocolatey. Yes, it is. It's already mixing in quite well. Don't watch the pot, the stove. I just finished cooking my porridge, which is over there. Here it's bubbling and it's smelling so nice and beautiful. Oh my days, just like chocolate. I am a chocolate lover, can anyone tell? I love a good chocolate bar. And so I guess I must love hot chocolate too. Funny thing is I don't have sugar in my tea, but I do like a bit of hot chocolate to give me a kick, you know. Now watch the method. My milk was running out, and as I am using water and not actually fresh milk, I want it to be quite milky. So here is what you do. If this was the can, I would have done the same thing. And I'm not going to use additional water because I don't want to stretch it out anymore. So I just use the same chocolate and stir it around to make sure all of that milk is consumed and used up for as long as you can. By the way, the jar was beginning to the pressure was building. It was going psst, psst. And I was wondering if it was gonna pop when I open it, but it did not. It was fine. It's just a small container. So here we go. It looks very milky from the first way that it was to now, but I think this is natural for hot chocolate anyway, and after it settled it was a whole different story. I've made a short video of it and it's on my channel. I should have added it to this video.
Oh, yummy.
I still might add it to this video.
That's delicious.
Because it was a
If I
lovely
must
cup
say
of
so
hot chocolate
myself,
and it had the grease
that's
on
yummy.
top like
Oh my
we're
gosh,
used to and
glorious.
everything.
Glorious.
So, thank you so much for watching this
Glorious.
video. I appreciate the support. Please like, subscribe.